What if the future of global manufacturing and automated factories isn't in Silicon Valley or Tokyo, but in the automated corridors of Chinese factories? China's unprecedented shift to intelligent manufacturing is redefining industries like textiles, satellite production, automotive, and even furniture. Curious to know how these innovations are shaping tomorrow's world? Keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest in cutting-edge tech revolutions.
Once considered a low-tech and labor-heavy industry, China's textile manufacturing has undergone a stunning transformation. Automated systems now handle every aspect of production, from spinning yarn to applying intricate designs on fabric. Robotics and AI enable machines to work tirelessly, producing consistent results at a pace no human workforce could match. This shift has not only increased output but also enhanced product quality. For example, dyeing processes are now more eco-friendly, using automated systems to reduce water waste and chemical runoff. China's automated factories are setting a new global standard for efficiency and sustainability in textiles. The World Economic Forum's Lighthouse Factories are the epitome of smart manufacturing, and China holds the crown with 74 such facilities. These factories seamlessly blend AI, IoT, and big data analytics to create hyper-efficient production environments. At their core, they focus on agility, enabling factories to quickly adapt to market demands. For example, a Lighthouse factory might switch from producing automobile components to medical devices within days. China's dominance in this space is no accident. It reflects years of strategic investment in digital infrastructure and cutting-edge technologies. These factories are not just efficient but also serve as training grounds for the future of manufacturing. China is ushering in a new era of intelligent transformation and digitalization, with automation becoming a pivotal force in reshaping its manufacturing landscape. As industries embrace these technological advancements, automation is rapidly gaining momentum, driving efficiency and innovation. A closer look at an automated cookie and biscuit factory reveals how state-of-the-art facilities and sophisticated manufacturing techniques are revolutionizing production processes. This shift not only enhances productivity but also sets a new standard for the future of manufacturing in China and beyond. Changan Automobile exemplifies the synergy between automation and the automotive industry. Its smart factories utilize advanced robotics to handle complex tasks, such as engine assembly and quality control. This ensures not only precision but also significant reductions in production time. The integration of real-time monitoring systems allows the factory to detect and correct issues instantly, minimizing waste. One standout feature is the use of autonomous guided vehicles that transport parts across the factory floor, optimizing workflow. Changan's commitment to automation reflects its ambition to lead in electric and smart vehicle production, positioning it as a global competitor in the auto industry. Shaanxi Automobile is rewriting the rules of heavy truck manufacturing with its robotic assembly lines. Each stage of production, from welding the chassis to painting and assembling interiors, is handled by machines programmed for speed and accuracy. This automation allows the company to meet the specific demands of Central Asian markets, where durability and customization are key. Robots enable rapid production of tailored models, such as trucks designed for extreme weather or heavy payloads. In 2023 alone, over 7,500 trucks were exported to Central Asia, a 110% increase. This success highlights how automation is helping Chinese companies expand their global reach. In Jiangxi province, furniture factories are proving that even traditional industries can embrace innovation. Intelligent machinery has taken over tasks like cutting, shaping, and assembling wood, dramatically increasing precision while reducing material waste. For instance, AI-driven saws ensure perfect cuts, and robotic arms handle complex assembly tasks that once required skilled craftsmanship. Automation doesn't just save time, it also creates opportunities for mass customization. A customer can now order a unique design, and smart machines will produce it with minimal delay. These advancements have made Jiangxi a hub for high-quality, eco-friendly furniture that competes on a global scale. At NIO's second manufacturing center in Hefei, automation drives every aspect of electric vehicle production. The facility features a 6-story vertical vehicle storage system capable of holding 246 vehicles, with automated elevators retrieving and delivering them for assembly. This innovative design eliminates the need for frequent tool changes, increasing overall efficiency. The paint shop uses AI-controlled spray systems to ensure a flawless finish, further reducing production time. NIO's Smart Factory serves as a blueprint for the future of EV manufacturing, showcasing how automation can improve quality while reducing environmental impact. Satellite production is no longer a labor-intensive process, thanks to China's first smart satellite factory in Wuhan. Automated systems handle critical tasks such as component assembly and testing, increasing output by 40%. The factory's streamlined operations mean it can produce up to 240 small satellites annually, a remarkable feat. This shift is not just about speed, it also enhances precision. Smart machinery ensures that every component meets exact specifications, reducing the risk of errors in orbit. By automating satellite production, China is advancing its aerospace ambitions while setting new benchmarks for the industry. In Foshan City, ceramic tile manufacturing has entered the era of automation. Advanced machinery handles every stage, from shaping raw materials to glazing and firing. Robotic arms meticulously apply finishes, ensuring consistency across thousands of tiles. These automated processes not only speed up production but also reduce energy consumption. For instance, smart kilns optimize heating cycles, cutting energy costs while maintaining product quality. Automation has also enabled factories to produce tiles with intricate patterns and designs, appealing to both domestic and international markets. Foshan ceramic factories are a testament to how automation can elevate even the most traditional industries.